It's Andrew then. I didn't see him coming.
Oh dear. Right, so let's go in. So this is our first visit to Thorpe Park. Never been here before, have we? What's up with you? Those actors, yeah, got some scare actors on today. So trying to go through here. So yeah, like I say, yeah, I think this is a bit of a dome, really, isn't it? Yeah, a bit of an arcade dome. Some food outlets. Not now. So yeah, we don't know where we're going at all. We've had a brief look at the map when we came in. The reason we've come today is because the girls are in Newcastle to go and see Ed Sheeran. So we've come down here, and this park, we've never done it before. Oh, look at this! Look at that! Yeah, well, we can go on that in a bit. It's like a little beach, Amity Beach area. So that's really good. So yeah, first impressions, very good. A little bit of a beach down there. I don't know. I think this is a holding area to Stealth. Want to go over to Stealth first, get that done. So what do you think of Stealth then, Josh?
Good.
How much airtime did you get in it?
Loved it.
You loved it? Good. So how much airtime did you get up there? Oh, there we go. Good fun. Tidal wave.
Tidal wave.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go and find it. It doesn't seem too busy today. Let's go back this way, Josh. Tidal wave. Sorry?
I don't want to go on Rock Yard.
Rock Yard? Oh, we don't know what that is, but like I say, we've never been here before, so we're just gonna.
Map in the middle.
Yeah. Okay. Right, what we'll do is we'll go on this tidal wave then, see if we can get on that, and then get on some other stuff.
Are we going to go where?
How wet did you get on that?
Good.
I got quite wet on the trousers. I'm going to take this jump off in a minute. It's really warm.
And it's also wet.
And it's wet now, yeah. But yeah, that was really good. That was. Oh, forgot about that.
And he also caught someone's hat.
And yeah, that chap there with his hat there. Oh, there we are. Hey, look there, I'm holding that guy's hat. Hey, look, mate. Look, I've got your hat there.
Oh, look at me.
Yeah, like I say, the guy back there, he actually had a hat on, and it flew off, and I actually caught it. So quite fortunate for him.
He would have landed on the track.
He won't.
Look, he tipped over.
Oh, look at this.
He tipped over.
Phone box there. Ambulance that's tipped over. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So Josh, what did you think of the Swarm then? Bad, yeah. It's the first time I've done a wing coaster. It's probably not my favourite. I like launch coasters a lot better. It was okay. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's just the type I prefer. I mean, that's quite low there, isn't it? Obviously, it gets through fine, but yeah, it was okay, but not my favourite on park. Stealth's a favourite, isn't it? Yeah. Right. Let's go and get some more stuff done. Having a great day. Operations are really good. One thing I will say is that they're advertising that as a 30-minute queue, and we got on it in 10 minutes. So you just got to watch that for the old fast tracks if they're trying to sell them on. But yeah, so yeah, having a good day. So yeah, they're advertising the queue as 40 minutes, but this certainly doesn't look like a 40-minute queue. So we entered at 10:51. So we'll see exactly how long it is. And there's the Swarm just been on that up there.
And if I go on all the rides, I get V-Bucks.
He's getting some V-Blocks in a bit.
V-Bucks?
V-Blocks. What's that?
V-Bucks.
Is that for Roblox?
No, it's for Fortnite. V-Bucks.
Yeah, so there's Darren Brown's Ghost Train over there, and this is Nemesis Inferno down here, I think, and the rapids are down this way. But what do you think of Storm Surge?
What?
What do you think of Storm Surge?
What's that?
The thing we just been on, the boat ride.
It was very bad. You didn't get wet at all.
Didn't get wet at all. Yeah, he didn't get that wet. It was okay. Pretty good.
That's hardly a water ride.
No, this isn't.
It's called water ride. It means you get wet.
Yeah. So yeah, having a good day. It's 11:30. Been on 4 rides, so doing pretty well. Not sure where the entrance is to this. It's got to be down here, I thought. Is it? It's not even open. See, that's the thing. It's a bit disappointing where you got rides like this that aren't even open, and the Ghost Train doesn't open till 12 o'clock.
What, 12 o'clock?
Yeah.
Dinner?
Yeah, dinner time, yeah.
What time?
So yeah, so we've got Colossus down at the moment, that's not working. We've just been on Storm Surge over there, which was good.
It wasn't. I just had to say really high up.
It was good.
It wasn't,
Well,
it wasn't good.
yeah.
It was that it didn't get wet.
Well, you didn't get as wet as you did on other stuff, no, I'll give you that.
Of course you didn't get wet as you get on Tidal Wave. Tidal Wave is a tidal wave.
Yeah. Seeing what's down here. That's the horror maze down there. No, that's closed. It's only open at Halloween, I think.
Is that The Walking Dead?
No. No, it's not. I just don't know where we are.
Where's the map?
Probably in my pocket. So yeah, having a good day, but it's a bit lost at the moment. Just consulting the map. So yeah, we need to go this way, Josh. We've gone to. We are down here somewhere. So we need to go back up this way. Yeah, we totally walked the wrong way. We thought there'd be a path around. Mind you, someone's going down there. Maybe you can.
Where is the ride store?
It's around here. Yeah, it's not. After a good start to the day, it seems to be.
The rides.
Come back. What? It's another ride down. This isn't good. Not good at all.
It's not going nowhere.
So yeah, just been on the rapids. Let's get past here. Didn't really get that wet on it, really, did we, Josh? That girl in front of us did. She got a good soak. Well, reasonable soaking. The rest of us got Small sprinkle. Where are we? Yeah, there we are. 645. Yeah, yeah. Your face is quite funny on that one. Yeah, it was okay. It's not the best rapids I've been on, but I've certainly gone tidal wave again.
It is good for England.
It is, yeah. That's right. So yeah, it's all right. It's not too bad. Right, we're going to go and get some lunch, find some toilets, and then queue for the ghost train. Yeah. A little teacups ride. So there are things here for younger children, but not a great deal. It is more of a, I'd say, 13-year-olds plus, because there are 2 or 3 rides here that are for you have to be 13 for. So you can, but apart from the 2 that are 13-year-old rides, so I mean, this is by far the best ride. Stealth. Stealth's by far the best ride, isn't it? It's a good ride, very good ride. Okay, so here's my thoughts on the park today. The start of the day was a really good start today. We got on this straight away, we got on Swarm, we got on the tidal wave straight away, and it was really good. We were just getting on stuff, weren't we? But comes kind of lunchtime, you're starting to get breakdowns. Colossus was down, Saw was down at the same time. We've seen Saw down twice today, haven't we?
Unless it's been on the whole time.
Yeah.
I thought it was a cigarette.
Yeah, cigarette down there. What's the other ride that's been down? Oh, the ghost train. Don't Brown's ghost train again.
And Bush.
Well, yeah. Well, that was advertised as down, so you can't really. Well, we'll talk about that in a second. But we also had.
Look at it going off.
Yeah, let's get some footage of this actually. Here we go. So yeah, that's a really good ride.
And also,
can't complain.
They try to, on some of the water rides, they try to get you to leave, because the ones that said like a 40-minute queue, there's only like 20.
Ah, yeah, that's another thing. We've seen a few of the boards that have said the rides are 40 minutes, but in fact you're only queuing 20.
And just to prove it, we even timed it.
We did time it, so he said 40. We looked at it and thought that isn't 40. It was actually 20. And we assume it's to try and sell more fast tracks, because we've not just seen it on that ride, we've seen it on other rides as well. So yeah, what do you think of the park then, Josh? What's your opinion of the park?
Yeah, same as yours. At the start of the day it was good getting on. We didn't get on the ride straight away, but we had to queue for like 5 minutes and then we got on. Yeah, the tidal wave was just to go on first.
Yeah.
So and then when it came lunchtime, there was breakdowns.
Yeah, you don't mind queuing for rides, but when they're unreliable, and like I say, it's not just us. I've looked at other people that have come, forums, blogs like this, where people have been complaining of certain rides that are down.
Like, this is probably one of the best rides here. I don't think it's been shut down the whole day.
Yeah, surprisingly.
I don't think it's broke down in the whole day.
This ride's probably one of the worst normally for breakdowns, but this has been, as far as we're aware, we've seen it going all day. Whereas other rides.
It's probably one of the ones to like break because of how much energy it shoots in. It hasn't probably not broke all day.
No, this is. Can
I get my glass of water?
Of course you can, yeah. Yeah, this. To be fair, this has been very good. This ride, Stealth. It's been on all day. It's been getting through the queues, but we're not sure about other rides. Oh look, there he is.
Where?
There he is.
Who's that?
Hey, all right.
Who's that?
I don't know who that is.
Is it one of your subscribers?
No.
Maybe?
No.
How do you think it might be?
No. So yeah, we'll sum up our opinions. As you can probably tell, I'm not so enthusiastic. To say I'm dying to come back here. But yeah, we'll sum it up in another day. We've not had a bad day, but again, it's not been brilliant.
Great.
So it's not been great. Yeah. So it's probably an average day for me. Wouldn't really rush back here, to be honest. Ken. Okay, here is our summing up of Thorpe Park. So, what did you think?
Good.
You're good, yeah. I'd probably class it as good as well. Started off really well. We got on 2 or 3 rides within the first hour, didn't we?
Yeah.
Probably 3 rides or something like that.
Yeah, but they weren't walk-ons.
Well, we queued a little bit. Stealth, as far as we're aware, has been running really good all day. We got on that first.
Has it break down?
Hasn't broken down. Then we went on Tidal Wave, that was really good. Then we went on the Swarm, which you didn't like, did you? You weren't a massive fan of it, but it was still good. It was running well.
Get the feedback.
Yeah, and we then went on the kind of dinghy raft ride that goes down. That was good. And then after that, we started seeing a lot of breakdowns. We saw Colossus and the Saw go down numerous times, didn't we?
And eventually, as soon as I went on Swarm, no, Colossus, and hurt my head, I didn't.
Yeah, you weren't a massive fan of that. He's 1.40 m, but the restraints, he was just bashing his head. He got a bit upset on that.
Even you were bashing.
Yeah, mine bashed on that. So we'd certainly we like the lap bar coasters, I think. And then things were just breaking down periodically. Again, like I said, not Stealth, that seemed to be working all day. It did take a shine off the day for me. Would I rush back here? No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't rush back to Thorpe Park. Alton Towers, yeah, I'd go back there. But Thorpe Park, no, not at the moment. Not that to say it's been a bad day. It's not been brilliant. So I think you just tell by my expression, really. And I try and be positive about these parks. Positives I'll take out of it is Stealth was really good, and we really like Tidal Wave as well.
And also, come and play Kick the Bucket. It's a good.
Yeah. So we're leaving now. We're going to go home. So yeah,
and I get my
a good day, not brilliant, not bad either. So yeah, we're going to head off now, head home, and
get my V-Bucks.
We'll next time we're going to be online is going to be when we'll take on Port Asterix next month and Europa Park. We're there for a week at Europa. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.